produced by
Way to save it.
Shadrach, Meshach, in a Bendigo. Feeling the fire consuming me, cause it's the way to go. Ain't no telling what the enemy got planned. But as long as I know that I'm in Jesus' hands, yeah, I can't.
Welcome back or welcome to the channel. My name is Nelly and I am a digital illustrator, graphic designer, and nail artist. Nice to meet you. Today I have some goodies planned for you. So get your snacks, get your drinks, and get your cozy blanket and snuggle up with your fur baby, if not your real babies. While I have to be a nail artist, aka press-on artist today, I'm also gonna be my digital illustrator self because Procreate just came out with their 5.4 update. And if you have Procreate, I suggest you do it now. It has a brand new library of new brushes, including watercolor ones, comic ones, just all kinds of things. So I'm getting into that as well later on. But without further ado, if you don't mind, could you like, share, and
whatever.
real quick, you guys, I finally organized all of my nails. When I tell you it was a pile on my desk, it was ridiculous, okay? But it is all here. They look so beautiful together. If you guys want like a deep dive into the book, definitely leave it in the comments. If you guys want to purchase a nail template, it is currently on sale right now for $20 for 22 pages. You have lipstick, duck, extra long, all that good stuff. You can order a custom set with me. You can get as crazy creative as you want. Or if you would like to rebrand your brand, if you're a nail tech, a press-on artist, or you just want a commission piece, you definitely have the options, okay, if you want to work with me. And just know that I love you very much. Okay, back to the set. Did you guys finish your snacks? Did you even get snacks? I have my snacks, and let me tell you what's in this fall for me. What I am currently low-key obsessing over: apple cider donuts in the air fryer. Store-bought. It doesn't even have to be fresh. Just put it in the air fryer and it is delicious, with some almond milk, vanilla to be exact, and some ice. Anyways, this footage isn't really that fun, but something better is coming in 3, 2, 1.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
Across the road.
Not now, Ham. Oh, I love riddles. Why?
right, so boom, I'm back at it and I'm about to do this portrait of Peach, and I low-key was holding off for like some weeks. It was sickening. And as you can see, I really thought. So then I had to do the smart way, which was get a watercolor pencil, buff the top of the nail polish. I think it was I put like matte on top, and then after buffing it out, sketching it out, here I am with my paint gel by Bratty Nail Co. Really great quality paint gel, I will say. This and Nails by Dev are like my go-tos, and then you'll have Savvyland, and then I'll go to this MPA palette, which you see right behind my fingers. Okay, progress. Trust in the process. Because at first she was looking real crazy, and it's getting better. She ain't got no ear on that side. But yeah, it's coming together. We are finally at 98% completion because I got 2 nails left, and if I did the math wrong, oh well, leave me alone, which is why I'm a nail artist / artist. But I did not do what my template said. I pulled out my special effects cat eye from Nails by Dev, as you can see, and I actually like it. I threw the gems and bits, and now we can finally move on to the next set.